Enhance your email signature with Circle Design Studio's new HTML feature. Now you can add hyperlinks to your email signatures, making them more interactive and engaging. So, let's dive in and discover how to create an impressive HTML email signature together. Let's get started with the basics. An email signature is like a digital business card that appears at the end of your emails. It typically includes your name, job title, contact information, and maybe even a logo. Here we are in Circle Design Studio's user-friendly interface. To begin, select your desired template or create a custom design that matches your personal or professional brand. Let's choose a vibrant and eye-catching design that reflects your personality. Now, let's add hyperlinks to your email signature. Hyperlinks are clickable links that direct your recipients to a website, social media profile, or any URL you'd like. This feature adds interactivity to your email signature, making it convenient for others to reach you or learn more about your work. Once you've set up your email signature, let's see how it looks. Click the Share button to get the HTML code and instructions. Read the instructions and choose the Download option. Open the downloaded file. Mac users can press Command+A, while Windows users can press Ctrl+E to select everything and copy. Go to the settings in your Gmail account. Find the email signature section, paste the HTML signature, and save the changes. Your new email signature is now live and ready to impress everyone you email. So, what are you waiting for? Get creative, add hyperlinks, and take your email signature to the next level.